Hello and welcome to this tutorial on SwiftUI. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the three key components of SwiftUI, which are views, layout, and interaction. Let's start with views. Views are the building blocks of a SwiftUI app. They define the structure and content of your app's user interface. In SwiftUI, you can use a variety of predefined views to create your app, such as text views, image views, buttons, shapes, and more. Next, let's talk about layout. Layout is a critical aspect of building a great user interface. In SwiftUI, you can use layout tools, such as HStack, VStack, and Geometry Reader, to arrange and size your views within your app. By using these layout tools, you can create custom and complex layouts with ease. Finally, let's look at interaction. Interaction is what makes your app dynamic and engaging. In SwiftUI, you can add interactivity to your app by handling taps, gestures, and animations. This allows users to interact with your app and get the most out of it. Let's take a look at the code we've provided in this tutorial. In the code, we've created a SwiftUI app that displays a text view, an image view, and a button. Views. In SwiftUI, a view represents a single user interface element, such as a text view, image view, or button. In this code we use three different types of views: text, image, and button. Layout. The layout of views in a SwiftUI app is managed by using layout containers, such as VStack and HStack. In the code, the VStack container is used to arrange the text, image, and button views vertically, with a spacing of 20 points between each view. Interaction. Interaction in a SwiftUI app is implemented by using actions and event handlers, such as the action closure in the code. In the code, the button has an action closure that is triggered when the button is tapped, and the closure prints button tap to the console. To summarize, in this tutorial, we've covered the basics of views, layout, and interaction in SwiftUI. Understanding these components is crucial for building great user interfaces in SwiftUI. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice and experiment with different types of views, layout tools, and interactions in SwiftUI.